All right, so hello. We're going here. We're gonna start the Niclink up, and then we're waiting for an opponent on chess.com here. I'm just gonna play casual for this. Ooh, got one. Look at that. So yeah, I will talk to you, but this is we're going to be releasing 0.8 of Niclink. It's I think it's ready for that. So yeah, I'm excited to bring that to you. It handles resignations. It can do that. So if you resign, it'll handle that well. And let's see. And you can play more than one game before hard reset. There's still some situations where it gets buggy, but it's more than not. You can play more than one game, which is exciting. Yeah, so I got this figured out through learning a ton about Python threading, so that was super interesting. And yeah, so the Python interpreter lock, you can only run one thing, so it's not really threading. It's pseudo threading almost, but it's fine for this because I just need parallelism. I don't necessarily need them to run at exactly the same time. I just need them to both accept input and such. Because this is such a user input driven opponent, it doesn't much matter. But yeah, let's see. It only works over USB currently. Bluetooth is something I would love to add in the future, but we'll see. I got no real need for it, and it just seems like a lot of work. And take backs break and if somebody proposes a take back in Lead Chess, Niclink can't handle that. So I have just disabled take backs, and it's just because it breaks Niclink at this time. But I might add that in the future. Got nothing to do, but yeah, it's not really that important to me. And yeah, if in the future it would be neat to expand Nicklink to other boards, that's we'll see if I get any. I'm not you know, it would be neat, but if something interesting comes out, I'll think about it. And yeah, if there's any features you're really pining for on your chestnuts, then let me know, and I'll consider adding them. Because really, I just like a challenge. Oop. Bishop in jail. And yeah, so this is not the full-fledged 1.0 release, but this is point 0.8. So it's getting playable, but it's not quite ready for the full release yet, I don't think. Go there, defend the pawn, boom boom. So it's yeah, it handles correctly 90% of stuff, but it still has some edge cases, and once I get those cleaned up, it just yeah, it'll be a lot cleaner. But as far as playing one game on League Chess and completely keep playing it when handling resignations now, and everything it works pretty well. But I'm not confident there. I'm confident there will be bugs, but none yet. So that's good. Usually, when you play one on the play one of these in front of an audience, it's usually something goes wrong, but it seems to be working beautifully. But yeah, so if you have a chestnut and like you have another operating system, or even if you just have you know something you want to not even if you have another operating system, but if you just have another instance on the computer and you want to test it out and get back to me, I'll give you a hand with setting everything up and it'll be fun. I'm not lonely, you're lonely. Ooh. Well, I can't say no to a knight, or a bishop, sorry. Ooh! And he resigns! Booyah! So, yeah, I will just quickly show you playing another one just against a computer, then we'll get out of here. Do. Play with the computer. And everything needs to get set back up. This might cause it some bugs, so but we'll see. It shouldn't, but we'll see. Yeah, like disco show with all the pieces in the wrong place. Oh, man. There we are. You can see it's super helpful the way it programs. It helps you out in getting your pieces set up and tells you when there is errors. So then, yeah. This boom! Yeah. I'm not gonna get you to or endure another one of my chess games, but yeah, that's it seems to be working pretty well, and I'm pretty happy with it, and it's been fun. All right, catch you later.